Get into the 2024 Cadillac XT4. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The XT4 crossover blends plush luxury, distinctive design, state-of-the-art amenities, advanced safety features, and an unmistakably athletic presence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, hands-free liftgate, navigation system, keyless entry, 4-cylinder engine, heated mirrors, power liftgate. Get the driving experience you want and the efficiency and flexibility you need. Drive the XT4 crossover.